Can I get short-term disability for depression? If you suffer from a pre-existing condition, why would this be the best time to enroll? Because the insurance policy is being issued to the group instead of the individual, and therefore your medical history is not subject to medical underwriting. Your pre-existing condition may delay or limit your use of coverage if you do not sign up during the initial enrollment period. Every potential disability will be qualified and covered. This is one aspect of insurance where timing is everything. A few times now we have mentioned pre-existing conditions. So pre-existing conditions are what? Well, a pre-existing condition is any medical condition for which medical care was received 3 to 6 months prior to the effective date for coverage. Just about every single STD policy has a pre-existing condition exclusionary period. Until the pre-existing exclusionary period ends, the prior medical condition will not be covered by the policy, but as soon as the period ends it will be covered. You must enroll during the initial enrollment to meet the pre-existing conditions exclusionary period for short-term disability coverage. To meet the pre-existing conditions exclusionary for short-term disability coverage, you must enroll during the initial enrollment. Additionally, you must remain an employee during the service wait period in the exclusionary period. Upon the passing of the exclusionary period, you will then be covered for any pre-existing disability. Essentially, exclusionary period is to protect employers from hiring previously injured employees, having those employees then claim that they were injured again and have the employer pay out benefits. Many people think that disability insurance covers health coverage. However, STD provides income replacement, but since it is paid to you, you could use it for health expenses if need be. That said, your employer is legally able to use your short-term disability to determine eligibility for other benefits such as life insurance and health insurance. Essentially, this means that your employer's insurance provider may be able to raise your premiums if you suffer from a disability that may severely affect your future health.